Good morning. It is 4 in the morning. I'm getting ready for work. And I know that some of you watched my video about what happened practically 2 weeks ago. And I couldn't do any other video other than my subscription box. But I want to say thank you to everybody that sent prayers and love. And my husband is doing really good. It's amazing. He's recovering really quick, and we only keep an eye in case of any change of him. Today is Wednesday, but it's my Friday from work, so I will be off after today for 4 days, and I will tell you, I'm really tired, exhausted, but I think it will be nice to be able to sleep until later tomorrow and relax, because I don't have to keep an eye on him all night like I was doing. And I got yesterday, no, 2 days ago, my 2 subscriptions. One is the Saheli Jane that I opened and made the video just because I wanted to have this. Finally, it's here. This is how it is right now, with all the goodies. And the other one is my stickers, the subscription of the stickers. So I will be distracted and relaxing, one doing my planner and other I will do something really nice with this, because will be for that I will wear on October for our wedding anniversary that is on the 6th. So I have practically 2 weeks to have this done. Let's see how it goes. So I will finish getting ready, getting my things together for work and lunch. I began my diet like the day that my husband had the accident. So it's going slow. It's no changes yet, but I feel the change. But I'm so tired, so exhausted that I can now enjoy it of all this, but I have to put my lunch together and go to work. I'll see you there. Good morning. It is my weekend finally. It is 10 in the morning. I will not deny I spend a lot of time in the computer and organizing my planner. I have not done a lot of things. I have not read a lot, and now I want to do some laundry, get my new fabric wash, because I will do a dress for my wedding anniversary for when we go out, and I think I would be doing this one. I don't know, I also like that. My mom said to do this with maybe long sleeves, so it will be nice for cold days, but I don't even know if it will be cold, but maybe that would be a good idea. So anyway, I need to wash that. I need to do a lot of cleaning. We are behind in things. Yep, he's still in the con because he's itching, and then he cannot control himself. And I know that he's not happy right now. He was itching a lot. So let's go to get some of the laundry going, okay? And clean a little of the backyard. I almost forgot that I had to use my overlocker for the ends, because being a very delicate fabric can kind of fall apart. So now it's ready to be washed. Let's go to do it. last night I got all this done. It's not a lot, but it took me forever, to be honest, because I didn't remember very well. And I still have a lot of tomato soup, if you want to call that. We will also take care of doing the same way. I still have, and I haven't I have one bag here of tomato. I have this other kind, that. And I will be doing marmalade or jam today, so I need to I had just frozen, and now I have to take out the seeds and begin to cook. I think this will not be a lot this year. Last year I got a lot. You wanna go, Seth? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I have all these Italian plums, and I will just remove the seeds one by one, and then cook to make a jam. Oh, it would be so nice. I'm still having 2 little ones from the last year. Sadly, I cannot eat right now because I'm doing my diet, but it will be a nice treat for when I can. Okay, this will take a little time, so I showed you when I have all these ready to be cooked. And when it's getting like a nice, delicious jam. It's a lot to do. I have my fabric wash, and I think I mentioned that I use my overlocker for the borders because being a very delicate fabric tends to fall apart. So I will iron this one on silk because it's so soft and I don't want to burn the fabric, so I will be careful. Good morning. It's another rainy day here in the Northwest. It looks, I don't know if you can see, but it's really gloomy. I still love this. I've been actually working on my, look, my sweater is all with dust. I've been doing some of my cleaning. I make bed, water plants, shred papers, and I clean the lamps, and that's the reason today was the bedroom. And I'm making the plans for today. I want to work on my fat quarters. I will do some little gift with this. I have the book that I also am reading, and I want to read a little more. At the same time, of course, I want to finish all my cleaning. Maybe finally cut. I think I will finish doing this one with different sleeves. I don't know if I want that kind of sleeves, to be honest, or I want something like this. It's so hard to know. And at the same time, I think that if I do in this way the dress, I don't know, so complicated. But the idea that I have is a pattern that I don't have. Let me see if I can show you in the computer. So no, the computer doesn't show so nice, but this is what I want to do. It's this kind of dress. It's very similar to the one that I'm planning to do, but it has short sleeves. It comes also with long sleeves. That this is kind of what I want to achieve, but with long sleeves. So maybe I should be patient and just order this one. Look at the price, is $2.99. I think I should do it and wait to do my dress, so I do in the way that I really want. Yeah, I think I will be doing that. And I put my order, and maybe I got a little excited with the price of everything. The only one that is a little more expensive are these 1, 2, 3, 4. I didn't even check that price, but you know what? They are like winter coats and stuff that I really like. I don't know why it's showing that price because it was low. Anyway, let's see. I hope it arrives soon, but if not, I will wear something different and I can wear that another time. I really hope it arrives soon. Yeah, this is very similar. I will be honest, it's so similar that I can do in a short sleeve, but I don't like that it has a little ribbon and the way that it goes, the back of the it goes like a V in the back, so we'll leave it that way. I think it will be the other one and it will look so cute. Yes, let me go to do laundry. I have all waiting here for laundry and to clean a little. I need to clean the bathroom too and begin my crafting. That would be great. Laundry going, drying, and I actually need to do one more because yesterday I didn't, and I went to clean the. What are you doing there, silly dog? Every time it gets like a little lake, she goes and lay down in the lake. And I clean the floor while it's raining. I have 2 wet dogs. Okay, let's finish this.